In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to upscale images in Photoshop with clean results. Start by going to Image, then Image Size. Increase your resolution to the target number and adjust the width and height if needed. Make sure Resample is checked, then choose Preserve Details Enlargement from the dropdown. Use the Reduce Noise slider to clean up the upscale. Around 20% is a safe starting point. After upscaling, sharpen your image to bring back fine details. Go to Filter, then Sharpen, and select Unsharp Mask. A good starter setting is Amount 100%, Radius 2 pixels, and Threshold 1. Alternatively, to quickly enhance an image in Photoshop using the new Generative Upscale, first select the image from the Layers panel, then open the Image menu and choose Generative Upscale. You can also find this inside Image Size by selecting Open in Generative Upscale. Click on the drop-down under Scale, where you can change the scale from 2 times to 4 times to further enhance the image. Here you can also see how much the dimensions increase in pixels. Finally, click Upscale. The AI will then upscale the image and create a new layer with the enhanced version. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.